Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I'm here to give you a DIY video. And the reason I'm going to give you a DIY video is this is a DIY I've been working on for a couple of days, and I finished Thursday night. I was just so happy to finish it. It was just I needed some more jewels. And so what you will need for this, you will need a any kind of canister, tall canister. You will need oh 4 mirrors, craft mirrors at that. They could be from. Make sure they're the real small ones. Let me show you, like this. Craft mirrors like this. Okay. You will need the. Let me find them. Yeah, that's not it. Got a lot of stuff up here. E6000 glue. And you'll need some jewels, AB crystal jewels. All right, gems and things. So what you and I had already had blinged this out um earlier this year, and I thought, okay, that's all it needs. Then when I looked at it again recently, I said, I went, I want to give this a look that nobody has. And I only did 2 sides to this, and it made it like you can't. It's transparent. You can't all see through one part of it, but then on another, you can on the sides you can see through it. So let me show you. So let me show you the top. So this is the top, and like you see, it has the traditional silver band on it. And then you have the mirror at the top. And then what I did is I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 jewels on the top. And you see it gives that beautiful purpley blue. And then when you turn it another way, I mean, you still get it and everything. And it's great. And the rubber piece that goes down on it stayed intact. And like in the canister I'm going to show you, you can get it at Walmart. I don't know if it's still there. So here's this side right here. This is what it's looking like. That's what it's looking like. And it has that purple blue looking thing on it. It has the two in the middle, and then you have all of this right here. And you turn to the back same way. And think. And let me just show you what it looks like, you know. So you have your top, and this is what it looks like. And this is what I keep mostly my hairbrush and my mostly my hairbrush and my care combs in. And I have another one for my other bathroom I'm working on. So yeah, I'm still kind of working on that. But this is what that is. And y'all, please tell me, what do you think about my custom um, hairbrush and hair comb storage case? How do you feel about it? Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe.